Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I'll show you Docsyard. Easy documentary tools. ChatGPT AI supported. This is our admin panel. You can see the project, manage, general settings, active logs, language, user, the rules. General settings, you can customize your settings option. Logs, you can see your active information, language setup. You can add user, edit and delete also. Add user rules, you can edit and delete also. And administer profile, you can edit your profile, change your password, update email, logout button. Another option is manage project. You can add new project. You can see all project information. You can view and you can edit details. You can see, you can delete. These are your page numbers. If you want this, check out. If you need it, check the link in the description. For installing help, contact us.